I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
So here we are again on Jason's Mitsubishi Colt CZT, currently running stage 2 power at around 225 brake, Jason?
Yeah, that's right.
About 225, but clearly Jason wants more power, so he's fitting an Arashi turbo today. So that'll be fun. So he's going to get on with that. We'll take photographs as we go, as per usual. Really is a shame to take all these nice white lovely hoses off.
Big boy boost.
Big boy boost. Well, the turbo is off. That's a pretty quick go, Jason, to be fair. Turbo stripped. In bits and little bits, my friend.
Yes, my friend.
You're making a mess there, mate.
Straight, mate.
It's all built up then, Jason.
Yeah, very nice. Very
Nice.
fresh.
Go on, what were you going to say? The only thing is?
I don't know.
Okay.
What's this say? Arashi.
Yes, my friend.
Very nice.
Make some power, isn't it? You put new gaskets in here, I hope.
Yes, my friend.
Good, good. Supplied by Dynodaze Performance Parts.
Thank you. Thumbs up.
Dirty thumb up. That looks nice, Jason.
Thanks, Tom. Appreciate it.
How long do you think this is going to last on your car?
Oh, about 3 days. Rod delete.
Rod delete.
3-cylinder.
I mean, that's what happens.
Eco boost.
Yep. 3-cylinder Eco Boost. Arashi Eco Boost. Yeah, it looks lovely, that, Jason.
Thanks.
Well done. Well, get it bolted on then.
Let's see some big powers.
Big powers.